you're doubting me.
Fine. God forbid I doubt you. No way.
Can I play on your phone? Daddy.
Please don't put your hair.
Your hair, someone's hair is in here.
Yeah, please don't put your hair. I don't want your hair.
Okay, the bacteria will kill it. I mean, the cooking will kill the bacteria.
Now what?
Now,
Can I still give you cookie?
more water.
Dad.
Where does it sit?
Even though we did that, that's for the eggs.
Oh, okay.
What you working?
One. Okay, I put a little less because we already have so much water.
Okay.
And stir.
Add it to that. Don't you need to add like sugar? Alright. God help us.
Okay, now we add portions of this while we keep mixing this.
Okay. And then I have to beat it.
Yeah. So I'll put a little bit of this.
And then bring it there.
Yeah. Well, let's bring it there first.
Turn on. And you keep adding it.
Okay, the rest.
Not enough liquid. Come on.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Not enough liquid.
Yeah, it is. Bless the culture.
What's it?
Huh? Oh, you're so dry. Hold on.
This will be a doughy consistency.
Will it become like that?
I think it's the whole egg substitute thing that it doesn't look exactly the same.
Should we put my hand in?
It is doughy.
Mommy. Peekaboo, mommy.
Maybe do it by hand.
It says do it by hand on the mixture.
Okay. Or like it.
It's pretty easy.
Do this. I'll do this.
Probably can always add some more water.
Shouldn't it all like stick together?
Mm-hmm.
It's not.
Probably need more water. I'll add it inside of the olive oil. So, a little bit of both.
Okay.
I don't think we did this correctly.
You, not me.
What? The eggs
You
recipe
are
was
doing
this.
it, not me.
Alright, let's see if we missed anything. 2 eggs, add cookie mix, blend all by hand or electric mixer. Yeah, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup oil, 2 tablespoons water. This thing said we're gonna have
1/2 or 1.5 cup oil?
1.5. Wait, what? 1/2 cup oil. 1/2.
Not 1.5.
No, just 1/2.
Okay.
1/2. 1.5 tablespoons. 4 tablespoons of water. Yeah, we did that right.
Okay. Now what?
And now we just mix until it becomes together. Let's try electric.
Wait. Not yet. Wait. It's coming together.
Yeah? We probably just need time. What are you doing? Is this necessary?
Yeah, this is necessary. See, it's starting to stick together.
Yeah.
Whew.
What you
Okay,
doing, guys?
Or this, at least it has some wet ingredients in it too.
I don't think that'll be good now because it's also thick. What are you going to do with it? You can't whisk it.
Yeah.
This is like chapati mabu. Okay.
Now we need a rolling pin slash something pan, like a
I
sheet.
do it on this.
This?
Yeah, I clean it and she makes chapati on here. Rolling pin is in here. Or in there. There's one in there.
Stop!
That one, the other one.
This one?
Yeah.
Is it there? Otherwise there's one in here.
This isn't gonna work.
No, no, it's there. It's there. She's not looking. It's there. Inside.
Oh, I'll see it.
There's two actually.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, hold on.
Go to the
Hey, give
toilet.
me a paper towel. Let's clean this place.
And the toilet.
Let's see. Cook number one.
Which one is
Cook
that?
number one.
Which one is that?
The red sweater. Cook number one.
Yeah?
Cook number two.
Yes?
It's one too many.